channel. So today's video is going to be a recreation of a James Charles eyeshadow palette. I got this for Christmas, and when I tell y'all, sister was gonna cry. Okay, I was gonna cry. So here it is in the flesh, the James Charles and Morphe. It's a little dirty, but the James Charles X Morphe eyeshadow palette. So we're going to be recreating a look that he did, a very natural brown kind of look with this palette. So I'm very excited. I have a light, I have a backdrop behind me, and we're just trying to do some new things. I'm trying to get this situation figured out as far as like the tightness of it. I don't know if I need to like sit something down on it. Oh, look at that. Just gotta work with it a little bit. But we're going to be playing with this eyeshadow palette, and yeah, so if you are interested to see what look I'm going to be doing with this palette, then let's get started. So I'm going to hop off really quickly. I'm gonna be doing my face, base, all of that, foundation, concealer, all of that good stuff, and then we're gonna be hopping into the palette. Okay, so the foundation and brows are already done. They're on my face, all the good stuff. So let's just move on. So I'm going to take my James Charles palette. This little foundation mark is irritating me. And I'm going to take the little plastic part, and I want to tell you guys what colors I'm using. So the first shade we are going to put on our eyes is called No Beans. So this shade right here, that chocolatey brown shade, we're going to take this shade and put this all over our lid. So here is that shade on our eyes. The next shade we are going to jump into, and I'm actually just going to read it off of this little thing, is called 10% Off, which is that next shade right next to No Beans. So it is this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it right on top of No Beans. So right on top. And we're going to do some slight blending. Okay, I think I started doing other stuff before. Anyways, moving on. So we're going to jump into the next shade, which is, I don't really know what I did with that little piece of plastic. Already I lost it. Anyways, we're gonna jump into this shade right here, and we are going to put that right on top of the other color that we just had. I'm gonna take this brush that I got from my Ipsy bag and just blend out the edges. And then I think he said to do Tune, which is the next shade. So that shade right there, and put that right on top of Code James, right? Right. Grab a different brush. I'm gonna grab this brush and jump into No Beans, which is that brown shade, and put this right on my lower lash line. As James says, you always have to connect the bottom and the top together. So that is what we're doing. Okay, so in the photo or video that he did, he added like a pop of yellow in the inner corner, so that's what I'm gonna be doing as well. I'm gonna be jumping into, what is this shade called? Beef, which is the really bright yellow shade, and we're gonna put this in our inner corner. So here is the eye complete. I do want to turn down this lighting just a little bit because I feel like it's very bright. Hold on. Can you guys kind of see it now? That looks a little bit better. So I'm going to hop off camera. I'm going to be putting on some lashes and doing this other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes are done and all that good stuff. So the next thing that we are going to be doing is blush. I'm going to be jumping into my BH Cosmetics Classic Blush Palette, and we're going to be jumping into this shade right here. I absolutely love this blush. It goes with literally every look that I've ever done on my makeup channel, on my YouTube. Literally, like, it's just the perfect shade of blush. Like, it just goes well with every single look. It just is very, very pretty. Like, I really like this blush. And I'm not a blush person, but I feel like I just tack this blush on, and even though I pack it on, it still looks good. So I'm happy about that. I did put a little bit too much on right now though. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Profusion Blush and Glow highlighter little situation. We're gonna be jumping into the shade called Hype. So it is this shade right here. And we're gonna be putting a little bit of this on our cheekbones. It is a gorgeous highlighter. Like, that is really pretty. And I think I got this from TJ Maxx for $4. So a really, really good deal. Cannot beat that. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we're gonna be putting on our lipstick. I'm gonna be using the lipstick in the shade Ashton by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Putting this all over the lips. And here is the finished look.
If you guys liked this video and if you liked the makeup look that I did, trying to recreate a James Charles eyeshadow palette.
It's recreating a James Charles, is it backwards? No, it's not. Recreating a James Charles eyeshadow look. If you liked it, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell down below to be notified every single time I upload a video. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video so we can get ourselves out there. I hope you like my little setup with the light in front of me, my backdrop, and the whole little situation going on. I'm trying, y'all. I'm really, really trying. So just give me a thumbs up for my effort, okay? But yes, I finally got the James Charles eyeshadow palette. I am super excited to try more creative looks. I'm going to recreate that look that I did before with the colorful look with the actual colors now and all of that good fun stuff. So I'm excited, I'm pumped, I'm ready to be very creative and unleash my inner artist. So here is the look. Really pretty and smoky, and I absolutely love it. This is definitely something that I would wear on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, anyways, like I said, if you are loving everything, make sure to let me know. And if that is all, if I have nothing else to say, nothing else to talk about and ramble about, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.